Willy Wonka's eccentric personality captivates and puzzles, hinting at a complex psychological landscape. His whimsical yet secretive nature suggests a blend of creativity and possibly unresolved emotional depths, inviting deeper analysis. Wonka's brilliance as an inventor and chocolatier is undeniable, yet this same creativity acts as a double-edged sword. It isolates him, as his genius often borders on obsession, alienating those around him. This isolation is not just a byproduct of his genius, but a chosen refuge. Wonka's retreat into his chocolate factory signifies a deep social withdrawal, possibly stemming from past traumas or disappointments. Wonka's impulsive decisions, often seen as a sign of childlike wonder, could also indicate a lack of impulse control. This impulsivity, while endearing to some, raises questions about his psychological health. The darker aspects of Wonka's personality, such as potential narcissism, emerge subtly. His need for control and admiration, combined with disregard for conventional boundaries, suggests a complex character far from one-dimensional. Willy Wonka's pervasive fear of theft and betrayal underscores his experiences with industrial espionage. This paranoia, while seemingly exaggerated, stems from past betrayals, suggesting his concerns may not be entirely unfounded. The scars of Wonka's childhood play a significant role in shaping his adult demeanor. Early deprivation and loneliness have molded him into a figure who oscillates between brilliance and isolation, impacting his interactions and decisions. In his quest for perfection, Willy Wonka exhibits behaviors akin to obsessive-compulsive tendencies. His meticulous attention to detail in the chocolate factory is not just a pursuit of excellence, but a compulsion for control. Wonka's relationship with the Oompa Loompas raises questions about the dynamics of control versus camaraderie. While he provides them refuge, the nature of their relationship blurs the lines between benevolence and dominance. The paradox of Willy Wonka lies in his simultaneous need for creativity and control. His innovations push the boundaries of imagination, yet his desire to manage every aspect reveals a struggle to balance these forces. Willy Wonka's eccentricity often overshadows his emotional intelligence. Behind the flamboyant facade lies a deep empathy for others, particularly children, which guides his actions more than many realize. The trauma Willy Wonka experienced in his past does not just shape his quirky inventions, but also his mistrust and cautious approach towards the outside world. This foundation of fear impacts his interactions deeply. Wonka's grandiose behavior, frequently seen as a hallmark of his personality, might actually be a shield against vulnerability. His extravagant displays and confident demeanor hide potential insecurities stemming from past criticisms. The enchanting world Wonka creates serves as more than just a factory of sweets. It's an escape from the harshness of reality. This magical domain allows him to live in a reality shaped by his imagination rather than societal norms. Wonka's penchant for taking risks is evident in his innovative creations. However, this trait walks a tightrope between groundbreaking success and potential recklessness, reflecting a complex character driven by both vision and vulnerability. Willy Wonka's secretive nature often leaves others in the dark, fostering a sense of mystery and unease. This secrecy impacts relationships, creating distance between him and those he interacts with, including the children who visit his factory. His reluctance to share personal details or the inner workings of his factory creates an air of intrigue, but also isolation, as it prevents genuine connections from forming. Wonka's moral compass appears to be guided by a unique set of principles, blurring the lines between right and wrong. His actions, often unpredictable, raise questions about his ethics. Are his decisions a reflection of a disorder or merely a complex, yet personal, code of conduct? This ambiguity makes him a fascinating, yet perplexing figure, challenging traditional notions of morality. His charm and charisma are undeniable, drawing people to him despite his eccentricities. But one wonders if this allure is a form of manipulation or a genuine attempt at connection. Wonka's ability to enchant speaks to his complex character, capable of both genuine warmth and calculated orchestration, leaving his true intentions shrouded in mystery. Wonka's legacy is as complex as the man himself. His eccentricity has left an indelible mark on the chocolate factory, influencing its operations and culture. The consequences of his behavior ripple through the establishment, affecting its employees and the wider community. His innovations and unconventional approach to candy making have set a new standard, but at what cost? Understanding Willy Wonka's personality through a psychological lens reveals a tapestry of complexities. His actions, driven by a mix of genius, trauma, and possibly underlying disorders, paint a picture of a man whose brilliance is as much a curse as it is a gift. Delving into his psyche offers a glimpse into the challenges and dilemmas faced by someone living on the edge of genius and madness.